Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw Matic from Gemini to Binance in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or just looking to move your assets around, this step-by-step tutorial will help you do it safely and efficiently. Matic, also known as Polygon, is a popular cryptocurrency, and transferring it between exchanges like Gemini and Binance is a common task for portfolio management. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Gemini and Binance and that your Matic is available in your Gemini wallet. Always double-check that two-factor authentication, 2FA, is enabled on both platforms to protect your funds. Step 1. Log into your Gemini account. Head over to the dashboard and navigate to the Withdraw or Transfer section. You'll see a list of your assets. Select Matic from the drop-down menu. Step 2. Enter the withdrawal details. You'll need to provide the receiving wallet address from Binance. To get this, log into your Binance account, go to your wallet, and copy the Matic deposit address. Paste it carefully into the Gemini withdrawal form. Remember, crypto addresses are case-sensitive, so accuracy is key to avoid losing your funds. Step 3. Specify the amount of Matic you want to withdraw. Gemini might ask for a network confirmation, like Ethereum or Polygon network, so ensure it matches what Binance supports. Review the transaction fees and estimated arrival time. Typically, this could take a few minutes to an hour. Step 4. Confirm the withdrawal. Gemini will send you a confirmation code via email or 2FA app. Enter it to proceed. Once submitted, you can track the transaction on a blockchain explorer like Polygon Scan. On the Binance side, Step 5. Log in and check your wallet. Your Matic should appear shortly after the transfer is confirmed on the network. If it doesn't show up, wait a bit or contact support. A quick tip. Always withdraw a small test amount first to verify everything works. Also, keep an eye on market volatility, as prices can change quickly. By following these steps, you'll have your Matic transferred securely. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. See you next time.